Hi, welcome to Virtual Learning Platform. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about AWS uh, EC2 console, like Amazon console. Okay, so here, like I already have an account, so that's the reason, like I was able to log in the application. Okay, so if you don't have account, then you can also create an account, like which is free. So if you want to create, then you can create the account. Okay, so here one of the service we have that EC2. So I'm going to discuss about some of the Linux commands. So that is the reason like I am opening the EC2 instance. So here EC2 instance, right? If you want to create any new instance, then click on launch instance. Okay, getting started walkthrough. Okay, so this is the Asia Pacific. This is the region. Okay, currently it is a region, Asia Pacific Mumbai region. Okay, I'm going to create one instance in Mumbai. See, for example, running instances, right? See view running instances. Okay, this is my running instance. Okay, but I don't want to touch that one. So I don't want to disturb that existing one. So I want to create a new instance. Okay, I want to create a new instance. I click on launch instance. Okay, so in this launch instance, right? Today I'm going to give Linux commands. Linux commands. Okay, so this is the instance name, and here I am taking the Amazon Linux AWS image. Okay, Amazon Linux AWS 2023 image. Okay, actually here we have Mac OS and Ubuntu, Windows and Red Hat, SUSE Linux, Debian. Many of the images available, but I am taking like Amazon Linux AWS one. Okay, so here architecture. This is the one published date, easy to user, verified provider. Okay, I don't want touch that one. T3 migrate. I'm going to take T3 migrate. This is a small one. Okay, it is also default one. So here we have many thing we have, right? So T3 micro is fine. T3 micro is fine of instance type. So here it is finally provided like a 2 CPU and 1 gigabyte memory and the current generation true and all. So here I'm going to create one more pair for this one. Linux. Okay, create new pair. See here, it is a PPK file and PIM file. It is asking PPK file as well as PIM file. For PIM file, we can use for OpenSSH and putty. Like if you have a putty, then you can generate a PPK file. So this is the RSA format, RSA encrypted private and public key pair. Okay, so here pk enter key pair name like a Linux commands. Linux commands. I have created one Linux com. This is the key pair I'm going to use and create key pair. I have created and it was generated this one. Linux, this is the one. Networking settings, create security group, allow SSH traffic. I am allow HTTPS traffic from the internet, HTTP from the internet. Okay. And new volumes, S3 files, new file systems, click refresh, view backup and provision, everything. The text determine whether the instance will be backed up by any. Okay, so this is the way we can create it. Like how I created. Just here I have provided one instance name Linux commands. Okay, I have selected like Amazon Linux AWS 3, and here this is the image I have selected. Okay, so here instance type is T3 micro and the key pair I have generated. Okay, this is the network related, like allow SSH traffic from this one anywhere anytime. Okay, see here custom type and my IP address and all it will generate, but I selected like anywhere and allow HTTP traffic as well as HTTP traffic. So everything I'm going to put as an allow and I click on launch instance. That's it. Okay, successfully launched the instance. Then if you go to the here, see here, this is the one. right? Linux commands. I'm going to I have created Linux commands. So here see instance memory instance ID. This is the instance ID, okay? And but this is the public IP4 address. So like if we want access outside the AWS, then we can use this one. IPv4, and if you want to access inside the AWS console itself, then you can use this IPv4. Okay, current status is running, and public DNS, this is the public DNS. Okay, the same way public IPv4, right? The same way we can use the DNS. Okay, private IP DNS the same way. This is the one like instance type we selected like T3 micro, right? So that's the reason like it has T3 micro VPC ID and a subnet ID and instance ARN number. Okay, everything here. Okay, and now I'm going to click on connect button. Okay, so connect using public IP4 address, connection type connect. For example, if you want private IP, then you can select the private IP. Then only you can access this one in inside the AWS. But I can connect a public IP. Okay, so this is the EC2 user. Okay, EC2 user is a default username for this one. Later we can change the username as well. Okay, now spinning the mission, EC2 user. Now it is spinning the mission. Now I'm going to give you the things. Okay, just now like we have downloaded the ppk file, right? So that one also I have the putty. I have the putty key, and so here, right? So host name. What is the host name here? I said like public IPv4. This is the public IP address. Okay, so this is the public IP and saved session. Okay, saved session, Linux commands and load. Oh, sorry, Linux commands. Save this one, Linux commands, and also here SH keys, right? Auth credentials, private key file and a certificate to use, private key file, ppk file, right? So this is the one ppk file. Okay, accept EC2 user, EC2 user. Okay, what is this one? See here, EC2 user, copy EC2 user. That's it. Okay, now I was able to connect it to that mission, Amazon Linux 2023 mission. Okay, now here I'm going to mm, teaching you some of the Linux commands. Okay, first one of the important command like who am I? Okay, this is the who am I, like who is logged in our system. So is the current logged in user. Who am I? So is the current logged in user. So here what is the current logged in user? EC2 user. Okay, EC2 user. And next one is the PWD. PWD means print working directory. Present working directory, like where you are in. See here, this is the home EC2 user. This is the present working directory. And second one is the ls means list of items. Okay, so here nothing, list files and folders. So like, okay, list files and folders. I don't have. For example, if I want to create ls-l, see here total 0, nothing is there. Okay, so detailed information permission. Okay, if I have created one a file. Okay, okay, touch command can use to create a file. Okay, txt t1.txt this is the file name. And now you can use the ls-l command, so it can give the list of files from the system. So here see, this is the permissions, what are the permissions are available for this file. And as well as this is the EC2 user, this is the user and group. Okay, user and group for this one. Okay, so this is the our file name. And when I have created like a July 13 16 14. Okay, this is the time stamp. And ls minus a, so hidden files. Okay, so hidden files means like .ssh, and this is the dot files and all. Okay, it is available. For example, cd .ssh. Okay, this is the folder, right? So we can use the cd command, and here you can use the ls minus l. Okay, authorized keys. So whatever the keys related information available here. Okay, again come to back. Okay, now I already said, right, cd is moving into another directory. Cd is moving to another directory. For example, .ssh. Okay, this is the directory. sh.ssh is a directory, so I am moving to inside that directory, and inside that directory I am entering ls minus l. Then it will show the files available in that directory. Okay, so if you want to go back one step back at that time, you can use this one. Okay, one step back, go back, you can use that one. If you want to go to home page, like a home, then just click on this one, cd home. Otherwise, cd tilde command. Okay, this is the tilde command. It is also navigating to home. So here you can click on pwd and home ec2 user. The what is the working directory, it will showing. Okay, so another command like mk directory. Okay, mkdir. Mk directory is used to create a directory. For example, mk directory projects. Okay, I have created one project. So here ls minus l, right? List of files. See here, one file is there as well as one projects folder is there. And here folder of the permission and file of the permissions available, right? For example, nested directories I want to create. Nested directory means one directory inside another directory, or inside another directory. That is the nested directory, right? Projects. C mk directory, mk directory minus p. Okay, minus p app java source. Okay, this is the directory I have. Okay, see here, go to app and ls minus l. See here, java cd java ls minus l, that's it. Source cd source. Okay, ls minus l, nothing is there, right? So if you print working directory, see we are in app java source. So that is the reason, like mk directory minus p, nested directories. If you want to create, use the minus p, that is the option. Okay, that is the option, mk directory minus p app java source. And the touch command already we discussed, right? So for example, if I want to go one step back, that time we can use the cd dot dot slash one more step dot dot one more step dot dot. Okay, so now I am in current working directory is home ec2 user. Okay, so here I need to use I have to create one file, that is the by using touch command, touch t2.txt. Okay, now t2.txt. Okay, and here I need to use the cat command is used to what is the content available in the file. What is the content available in the file, it can show it to me. Like here I don't have any content, right? So that is the reason, like it won't show anything. Okay, for example, if you want to see the content, and if you want to write the content into the file, then here we can use the va command. Va is a command to edit the file. Okay, so see here t2.txt, and here I'm writing my name is. See, for example, want to edit this file, then you have to click on I insert. Okay, so here what we need to do, my name is Srini. Okay, and have started Varshini learning platform at farm. Okay, this is the content I have written in the file. And how to we save, like just shift colon and w q and exclamatory, then click on enter. Okay, then it has saved. So now we'll see cat t2.txt. Then see here, this is the content I have written in that file, right? So the content has displayed here. Okay, now. Okay, got it, right? Now head. Okay, uh, head. What is the use of head? Like the file contains by default 10 lines. It can display from the starting. From the starting. See t2.txt. Okay, so here this is the first line, right? That is the reason like it is has been showing. For example, if I want, if I have a more files, like more lines here. Okay, so I'm going to write some. Okay, some more lines. Okay, some of the lines I have written. Okay, this is the content we have inside the file. Okay, this is the content I have inside the file. So what I need to do, see here cat t2.txt, t2.txt. So see, this is the content available inside the file, right? So what I need to do, mm, what I need to do, head command. Okay, head command, I want to display only two lines, first two lines of the from the file. Okay, how do we display that one? So just a number of lines you want, and t2.txt. Okay, see here number of lines. My name is Srini and I have started version learning platform. This is the two lines of from that file. Okay, this is the head command. Head command is used to print the number of lines from the starting. Okay, the same way tail command we have, it is also printing lines, whatever the lines, like how many lines you want to print. Okay, how many lines you want to display. So that many lines you have to give the number and file name. That's it. Okay, from last, see, this is the last two lines it has displayed. Okay, now it has been displayed. It has been displayed. Okay. Now, actually, like a copy. Okay. Copy file. t2.txt. This is the one, right? t2.txt. I have a file, but I want to copy this file into the same content, the whatever the content available in the t2.txt, the same content I wanted to copy into another file. So in that case, what we need to do, cp is a command for copy t2.txt. Okay, after that t3.txt. That's it. Now here see t3.txt. And if you want to see the t3.txt, what content available, the same content available, right? Whatever the content available in t2.txt, the same content will be copied into the t3.txt. So that's the reason like we can use the cp. And move. Move means it has a rename or create a new file. That's the reason. See, move t3.txt, right? t3.txt. I am going to rename this file t4.txt. Okay. So here t4.txt. We t4.txt. Cat. We can use the cat t4.txt. See here, the content is available. Okay, now content is available. t4.txt content is available. Uh, okay, move done, right? Next, remove file. Okay, so here we have a remove option. rm my rm t4.txt. See here, I have removed the file of t4. Okay, now delete folder. For example, if I want to delete the folder for this one, rm minus rf. R means recursive, F means forcefully recursive way can remove. Okay, now projects. See here, it has been removed the directory from the uh, path. Okay, grep. Grep. What is the use of grep? Okay, grep is used to search the content inside the file. Okay, for example, here t2.txt Srini, grep Srini t2.txt. Okay, Ignore case sensitive. I'm going to use case sensitive. Okay, see here, it is a case sensitive, right? So that's the reason like earlier it has not been displayed, but now I used the -i option. So now it has been displayed. Grep -i Srinu t2.txt. Inside t2.txt, I have a name Srini. So that's the reason like it has printed. Okay, now recursive search. Okay, recursive search. If you want a recursive search, then you can search grep -i or okay, ignore case, recursive way, and n Srini. Okay, see here, recursive way also it can, sorry, number of lines like where line number is also can able to print it. Okay, number of lines, number of like line number. N means line number, R means recursive way it can search, and I means like ignoring the case sensitive. So it can search in a this manner, and it can display the value. Okay, these are the commands. For example, what are the commands I'm going to discuss? See here, history. Okay, who am I? PWD, ls. Okay, touch command. Okay, cd and std one step back and one step move. Okay, cdsh folder. How do we create it? mk directory and touch t2.txt. Touch command, cat command, va command, head, tail. Okay, grep command. Okay, these are the many like remove command and these many commands I have used currently. Okay, thank you. Before stop before exit from the EC2, so I have to stop this one because I don't want right now, right? So now I'm going to stop this one. Just a minute, I have to refresh this one. First of all, I have to close it here and see here actions inside actions. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here stop instance, reboot instance, terminate or delete instance. First of all, stop instance, terminate, delete instance, and this one. First, I am going to stop the instance. Skip OS down. Okay, shut down. It will stop. Okay, now I'm going to refresh. Okay, so now only one instance is running. Okay, one instance is running. Okay. So I stopped this one, but if we want remove also we have a possibility. Okay, so here in instance state terminate or delete instance. But tomorrow I'm going to explain some more comments. So that's the reason like I don't want close this one. Okay, thank you guys.